Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, your online gateway to get success in ISS exam. This academy is exclusively for ISS only. And I wish you all a Merry Christmas since today is Christmas. So there are festivals, but keeping aside the festivals, we have to focus on our studies. So then after we get our success, every day will be a festival. So, beginning with today's lecture, in the previous lecture, we did some of the concepts on the demand analysis, and today we'll furthermore do another concept on demand analysis. Till now, we have done of price elasticity of demand. In today's lecture, we'll begin with price elasticity of supply. Price elasticity of supply. What does price elasticity of supply means? It means that how much the supply increases or decreases when price increases or decreases, and how much it can stretch. Basically, elasticity means how much it can stress, how much the supply can stress when the price increases or decreases. That's the case. So the definition is the ratio of the relative change in supply to the relative change in price of a commodity is known as price elasticity of supply. In short, I'm writing this. It is known as the price elasticity of the supply. We denote price elasticity of supply as epsilon P, where epsilon V is defined as the price elasticity of the supply, and we since it is the uh, relative change of supply, so relative change of S with respect to S to the relative change of price with respect to price. This is the formula for price elasticity of supply. Now on further derivation, we can write it as epsilon p. If I differentiate it with respect to p, then we will be getting with not differentiate. If we take limit of p reaches to 0, where it is p upon s to delta s upon delta p. If we take this limit, we will be getting p upon s limit p goes to 0 delta s upon delta p. Here delta s can be written as the function of p. So here s can be written as p upon s. The function of p is can be written as fp upon delta p. D of fp, and here this s, here the lower one, can be written as fp, and this delta also reduces to d. So we can write our epsilon p as the function of d fp upon fp divided by dp upon p, and hence we can write it as log of fp upon log of p, epsilon p. Okay, this can be written like this. Now, epsilon p has two quantities. The conclusion that we draw from here are two. The first conclusion is that if the price increases by 1%, then the corresponding supply also increases by eta p%. That means the price and supply move in the same direction and always have a positive sign in front of them. And the second thing is that the price elasticity of supply is always positive. Price elasticity of supply is always positive, right? These are the two conclusions that we draw from price elasticity of supply. Now the second case arises where before that the price elasticity of demand was inversely proportional, or we can say the price elasticity of demand moves in opposite direction with that of price. As the price increases, the demand decreases, and here as the price increases, the demand also, the supply also increases. That's the case. Now, moving forward to another concept on price elasticity of supply is when the price elasticity of supply is a constant. Is constant. What will be the case there? Suppose S is nothing but the supply function, P is the price, supply of commodity. These both are of same commodities. And let the price elasticity of supply be a constant. Let us take the constant as C. Now we know that the function of epsilon p, which is the price elasticity of demand, is nothing but relative change in supply upon relative change in price, which is equals to a constant C. Now if we keep C over here upon S equals to C into delta P upon P. Now if we integrate this both side, if I integrate this, delta S 1 upon S delta S equals to C comes outside of the integration, 1 upon P delta P, and there will be one integration constant which let us take as constant for now. Now we know that integration of 1 upon x is log x, so 1 upon s will be log s equals to C log P plus, let us take the constant as log K in order to make an equation. So this can be written as log S equals to log P raised to the power C plus log K. Log A plus log B is equals to log AB. So this can be written as log S equals to log P raised to the power C into K. This further can be written as, if I take log common and cut from other side, if I take log one side and take anti-log, if I take anti-log on both sides, this is the equation. Log S equals to log P raised to the power C into K. If I take anti-log on both sides, anti-log log of S equals to anti-log log of p raised to the power c into k. So this anti-log cuts log, and we are left with s equals to p raised to the power c into k. Now this is an equation of a parabola. So when the price elasticity of demand is a constant, then the supply function is a parabola with parameter c. Now, what is a parabola? Yesterday, in the previous lecture, we discussed hyperbola. Let us discuss parabola. So, parabola is this kind of figure. These are the parabolas. If I take them on right hand side, these are the parabolas. And they has equation x square is equals to 4a y square is equals to 4ax. Like that, they have equation according to their structure. Okay, so this is the equation of a parabola. And now if we say that let the value of price elasticity of supply be 1, if it is unity, then our structure will be that means c is given as 1, then our supply function would be p raised to the power c into k, which is nothing but s equals to pk, which is a straight line equation of a straight line passing through origin. Equation of a straight line passing through origin. How is the equation of a straight line is y is equals to mx plus c. Here constant of c is 0, and this equation is almost equal to y is equals to mx, where y is the function that we want to find, here supply is the function that we want to find about, and x is the variable, here price is the variable. Okay, so this is all about our price elasticity of supply. I hope that whatever we have done today in the class has been thoroughly clear with all of you, and if not, then you can ask in the comment section or on our WhatsApp channel. Only relevant doubts will be answered. And I wouldn't uh, I wouldn't recommend you to skip the festival. Enjoy it as well, but keep in mind in your studies, don't break your consistency. So that's all for today's class. All the best and thank you.